Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by activating protections that work automatically. Turn on your carrier's spam filtering and call blocking so obvious robocalls are screened before your phone rings. Next, register on your country's Do Not Call list to reduce telemarketing. This cuts many legal marketing calls. Finally, install a reputable spam blocking app and grant permissions so it can block numbers and filter SMS. Once done, these 3 actions will immediately reduce noise and give you control over the next steps. Now you tackle recurring offenders. When a number repeats, block it and report it to your carrier so they can investigate patterns. This helps stop networks of spam. Use your app's automatic block lists and community-reported databases to catch spoofed numbers and filtered SMS. Also, tighten device privacy. Disable autofill that shares your number and limit messages from unknown senders to reduce exposure. Make sure to sync these settings across devices. Consistent rules prevent leaks that let spam slip back in. Finish by maintaining what you set up and knowing how to fix problems. Routinely review blocked lists and update app permissions so legitimate contacts aren't trapped. This keeps filters effective. Report suspected scams to regulators and ask your carrier for porting restrictions to stop criminals from moving your number. If spam keeps coming despite measures, reset network settings and reapply protections. If all else fails, change your number and re-register, but only as a last resort because it disrupts contacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.